Whoa, what the? Okay, we're good to go. We're good to go. Hello, hello. All right, we're here. We're good. All right, we're good to go. All right, that was the most inconvenient thing ever. Are we good? We are. All right. Okay, so let's just get right to it. I'll tell you what happened at the end there. It's so funny. All right. 604 right now. We're bleeding here. We're cooling down here at 604, up almost 2% here. And we've got the WHO, the World Health Organization, which just reached an agreement with the Cancer Genomics Consortium. Not actually the WHO themselves, but the Cancer Research Agency of the WHO. They reached an MOU, a memorandum understanding or something like that. Some sort of partnership to leverage their combined expertise to advance both the World Health Organization Blue Book and CCGA DIO resources. So that is good. And the reason why that's good, to my understanding, is because we're presenting at the CGC. And this has just started, right? We've still got 2 days left. And imagine how much more data there is yet to be seen. And I guess we'll talk a little bit more about that in a second here when the market closes. But right now we're at 605. We were all the way up at, like, what were we? Were we almost? Did we hit 4% in the green today? I think we hit almost 4%. We were definitely up 3% at a point. We hit 618, got rejected at 618, and since then, we've been absolutely getting, I mean, we haven't been getting killed. We're still up almost 2%, but we've been going down very heavily. And it's funny because we are outperforming in a huge way today. If we look at high growth as a whole, look at this. Okay, and I have to run. I just restarted my computer. I forgot I got to run this real quick so I can zoom in. All right, double click that. All right, boom. Now, if we look right here, you're looking at Microvision and Nanodimension are both in the red. BioNano is up almost 2%. That's beauty right there. That's what we call people seeing that there are actually good things happening. That there are people that are actually hopefully this isn't just an outlier, right? Some days we outperform, some days we underperform. Usually we underperform. Usually we do worse than these two bad boys right here. Today we're doing something better. Likely, I would say that's likely because of what we got, the news we got over the weekend, right? We got the CGC data coming out. We got some data there, and we got this was the big reason is this right here, I would say. And of course, it's impossible to tell why we're up on a day. It's impossible, but this is probably why. This is what I would say. Epic data coming out. CGC annual 2021, we believe optical genome mapping, okay, yada yada. That is it. Usually we don't see Eric say that this got a lot of exposure, relatively speaking, compared to what he usually gets in terms of likes, to my understanding. I think that is kind of what has everybody excited. So yeah. Laptop manipulation. I know, literally this. What the heck? My whole setup is gone. I had to, whatever. I'll tell you what happened here in a sec after the market closing here. We got 10 minutes of the close. Let me read Brennan's comments here. Okay, we are now presenting at MD Anderson, the #1 cancer in the world, center in the world, I'm assuming, and the largest too. Earnings is going to be good, but third and fourth quarter will be epic. Thresh, you are a lonely boy. Literally waiting around to get attention. I know puts are printing your damn Wi-Fi puts or stream puts. Brandon put, just call them Brandon puts at this point, are printing today. Oh man, that was horrible. I think I had it. It took me about 15 minutes or 20. Oh my gosh. About 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes to get it live after it should have started. 20 minutes late there. And yeah. Yep. Oh, it's too funny. That's too funny. Trash is making fun of numbers on the stream. He must love the attention because he is here. It's you got a good thing going when the bears are here chatting, even though the stream hasn't come up and it hasn't not even come up, and it's been 20 minutes. And as I'm speaking, we just broke the previous low here. We just tested 602. Hopefully we can close the day above $6. And we almost closed the day. Okay, looks like we still will. Maybe. We'll see. Right? Anything can happen at this pace. We'll close below it. But right now, we are above the descending level of resistance here for the first time. And if we were to close above this, this would be the first close above this line here ever. And we've got about 4 to 5 to 6-ish validations that are mostly, for the most part, they're pretty clean. And we just hit 601 now. Wow. Or for a second, it flipped to 601 there a second. But yeah, that would be, and we do need to close. We need to close above 590.97. So at least 597, if not 598, to get a close above that. That is obviously a breakout, and that's what you're looking at. We have not closed above this. We haven't. So maybe that's going to signal a very aggressive reversal. I don't know. We'll see. Power dump. Yeah, I know. Yeah. BNGO price will pass NNDM by Friday. We are far superior in value. That's damn right, isn't it? Yeah, that's true. What's the volume? It's shite. It's shite. You're looking at 7 million volume. I think is this going to be the worst volume of the entire year? Let me see. I think it will. Let's see here. I think this is going to be the worst volume of the whole year. Okay, no, almost. Almost. We're in the top 5. We're definitely in the top 5 worst days of volume this entire year. Today. This is why I don't check the volume anymore. Oh no. No. No, my laptop. It's failing. The laptop's failing. Oh no, this is a good, I don't even do any editing or anything. I delete all the files instantly. The laptop is having problems today though. Hey, every good laptop has a bad day every once in a while though, right? Maybe it's still good. But 601, we just hit 601. We're gonna close the day. It looks like at this rate we're gonna close the day barely up 1%, if that. I mean, damn. This has been a power hour sell-off, and this is obviously, okay, this sucks because this is bearish for tomorrow, kind of, right? Obviously, it doesn't matter if we close at 601 or 5 or 6. It really doesn't matter because we've got earnings in 2 days, motherfucker. But this means that traders are basically. They're basically betting on tomorrow being bad in a way because people are selling off here. And you could say, well, Brandon, this is just a high growth sector doing that. Well, it doesn't really matter. High growth or not, people are selling this shit before tomorrow. They don't want that overnight exposure. They don't think it's worth it. So that we'll take that for what it is. You know, at the end of the day, everybody is bullish on earnings for a good reason. And I want to clear up some I want to make a I got to address this in the video tonight or sometime, talking about the dang misinformation with the earnings. I go to the Webull. I don't know why I do this. I need to stop this. This is a horrible thing. Don't, especially if you're a new trader. Jesus, don't do this. Don't do it. You're gonna lose. It's like equivalent to using Wall Street bets as an investment advice, right? But looking at the Webull comment section, I was going through there and seeing the comments about earnings. I was like, oh man, these people are clueless. I don't know where these thoughts come from. Where it's gonna be. I see people saying earnings is not gonna matter. I see people saying it's gonna be a miss for sure. I don't know. I hope they're joking. I hope they're trolling, but I want to clear up some shit in regards to that. And anyways, as I'm talking, we just hit $6. Hopefully, this 15K share BIOL is going to hold up. But honestly, I would doubt it. Honestly, at this pace, everything is absolutely selling off at this point. I mean, high growth is absolutely free falling. Still in the green, 1% though. Still outperforming. What is the rule for sideways trade and low volume? Well, if there's low, I'll tell you this: if there's low volume, a lot of people take that into meaning sometimes it's not really that it's not really that meaningful of a day because we didn't really move much. I mean, well, we didn't have much volume, although we moved a fair amount. It's like that's not justified. If there was higher volume, we wouldn't have moved that much because more people would have taken profit, right? For example, if we went up, which we are today, I'm not really worried about that at all. To be honest with them, I'm not really worried about that whatsoever because I've told you guys, earnings is all that matters. And it's my opinion that earnings is going to kick ass. That's the simplest you can get. You can't get any simpler than that, my friends. Now look at this wall right here. We've got the whales messing with us. We got 5 minutes of the close. 5 minutes of the close, and we got a 100K share BIOL at 590. I thought Wall Street Bets was good investment advice. That's why we try to shill there for BNGO. We don't shill. We're not shilling. When we do Wall Street Bet stuff, we're doing good research and trying to increase the awareness of what this company does and the short interest rate and all that stuff. But it never works because they ban all of us. And I think Mr. Investor got permanently banned, I heard, which is insane. These people are crazy. I don't know if it's a bot doing it or if it's the actual mods, but I don't know. Oh, Robbie Smith is here. Whoa, we got the... Whoa. Oh my gosh, you don't even know what to say. Robbie Smith is back. The quote, Robbie Smith. Everybody, breaking news. Hold on, I got to change the title of the stream. Breaking news. Hold on. Breaking news. Robbie Smith clown indicator and they're activated. Robbie Smith is back. This is good, everybody. This is good. We got the Robbie Smith clown indicator. Let me read this. All right, here we go, everybody. This is what everybody's been waiting for. This is the highest level. This is high quality content. 100% miss on earnings. Just bought puts. Everyone should sell if you care about your money. Ooh, baby, that's beautiful. That's exactly what he said last time. That's exactly, dude. You know we're going to go up now because that's literally word for word what he said last time, May 13th, before we went up 100% a month. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Hold on. Let me quote that. Let's quote that in the Discord and pin it there so we get it. No, I don't want that. Let's go here. Here we go. Here we go. This is beautiful. Hold on. This is worth it. I got to do. Hold on. We're going back to the. I got to pin this comment real quick so we don't forget. No, not edit. We got to pin that. Yes. Yes, now we will not forget. Now there's proof for us. 601 right now. That's bullish. We got the bullish flip, baby. KDJ with a $2 donation for Robbie. Yes. Plot twist, Robbie and Theresa the same person. Oh, I would not be surprised. My conviction just shot up for that. I know, word. Like, same. 10,000 shares just bought 602. That's beautiful. What do you think? That's beautiful. Dead clown bounce. Brandon, and even more important news, Thrace sold $109 strike. February 2022 calls. What the hell is that fool doing? That fool is betting on us going to $1.50. That's what he's doing, right? Somebody please cue the Elijah Wood laugh in the prank interview. That would be that'd be perfect timing if I could do that editing. I'm not that sophisticated on stream. I can barely do the editing on normal videos. On stream, you better be kidding me if I'm doing that. But that's a perfect moment. Robbie Smith, we got the bullish flip. We got the bullish flip on the Robbie Smith cloud indicator just now. Breaking news. 20,000 shares just bought 602. You love it. You gotta love to see it. Remember, it doesn't really matter if we close at 6 or a below or above 6. It really doesn't. Okay, earnings is what's gonna matter, and I want to see everybody there. Everybody has to be there. Another one for Robbie the Clown. Mike knew it. $5 donation, freaking legend. Another one for Robbie the Clown. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, Robbie. And guys, I'm saying if you haven't been, I know a lot of people here, a lot of people who are watching have no idea about the significance behind Robbie. Robbie Smith, they're probably like, Brandon, what the hell is wrong with you? Why do you always enjoy this bear? Well, dude, you don't understand. On May, I kid you not. Like, I'm not exaggerating at all. If anything, I'm not even giving you the full. This isn't even painting the picture accurately because it was more fervent than this, right? On May 13th, the day of earnings, the day that we hit 430, right? I was adding on the dip. A lot of people were adding at the dip, but morale was even lower, way lower than it was now. Today's morale does not even compare to where it was on 430. No one thought the company was anything at this point, right? No one was talking about us being a good company. Robbie Smith said the exact same thing that he just said when we were at $4 a share, and that's why the Robbie Smith clown indicator is so damn bullish. Simple as it gets. You all are laughing now, but this stock is going to be 220 end of year when they miss earnings 100%. Bro, how would we do that? 100% miss? Do you even understand what that means? What? What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? Oh, and we got buys at the close as well. That's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Let's look here. Okay, about 10,000. This is what you're about to witness is absolutely god-awful math. About 50,000 shares bought 603 there at the close. And we closed up about 1.5%, a little bit over 1.5%. Yeah, 1.69%, 10 cents on the day. 10 cents on the day. Wait, end of week? Oh, he said end of week, not end of year. Oh my gosh. End of week? Come on. Robbie, BNGO is going to bounce and fly to $15 a share, almost like when you bounced a foot off the ground when you were dropped on your head as a child. Oh man, this is too funny. This is too funny. I feel bad for Robbie. He said the exact same thing. For all the people who are new here and don't believe me, I'm telling you, please, you'll get a kick out of this. I'm telling you, it's very funny. Go back to May 13th and watch a stream dated on May 13th, and you will literally see Robbie. Literally, he's manhandling the chat. He's acting like he's a god, and he's made money. And to this point, Robbie was shorting all the way down here. He could have taken profits. No, he bought more puts on the day of May 13th, apparently, right? And he also owes me $1,000. True story, by the way. Robbie Smith, also true. He hasn't paid me back. Also true. I'm still waiting on that money, Robbie. I'm waiting for that. Don't expect him to pay it. But yeah, he bought puts there. And right now, 2 days before, I'm hoping the day of earnings, he does the same thing, right? I'm hoping on August 4th and on Wednesday this week, 2 days from now, right? I can't believe it's 2 days away. I'm hoping that he says the same thing, that we're going to go to zero. But hey, I'll take what we can get, right? We just got the bullish flip on the Robbie Smith clown indicator. It's not, you can't get much better than that. That's as good as it gets, my friends. That's as simple as it gets as well. Rob the clown. Oh man, I wonder what Eric meant as his tweet. Do you think we'll know in a few days from now? I'm not sure. He's speaking about at ER. No, I think he's speaking about the CGC. He's talking about the CGC data. Yeah, he's talking about I mean, he hashtags it right there. So, yeah. I wish he was talking about earnings. If he was, we would probably be up a lot more than 1% today. Rich Shippy is still hammering Twitter with the new findings that the CGC MD Anderson just presented. Hell yes. Hell yes. Try to buy 10,000 would not go through. Really? Interesting. It didn't fill. Was the price at your buy price? Like, did you put the order in for 605 and it didn't fill ever? Because I'm sure if you put it in, I'm sure it would fill, unless your broker's got horrible. I don't know. Unless your broker's got some problems, it should fill easily. Dead cat bounce. Robbie was just a little too early to the party. Dude, Thresh, we all know you think it's going to 150 end of year. Dude, get out of here. Get out of here. This community, we know of 13 quarter two Sapphire adoptions. Robbie, 100% earnings miss. How is that even possible? That's impossible. We couldn't get a 100% earnings miss, get $0. I mean, we already know. Dude, I know. I mean, it's funny, Robbie. I thank you, Robbie, my friend. If you're listening, I think you are at this point. I thank you for being a joy to this community, especially the ARC stream. I think that is my favorite memory of the channel. That is the funniest goddamn thing of it. He came in out of the context. You have to understand the context when I tell this story, because the ARC stream was the funniest goddamn thing you ever witnessed. It's so funny. He came out of nowhere. It's like, all right, I'm not going to do the story now. I'll do it if you want me to. You probably don't. I probably said it enough times. Most of you were there, right? Does anyone remember that? Boomstick, are you here, my friend? Yeah, he is. But back to the point about the 100% earnings miss, right? We already know about. Well, here's the thing. The company's already announced a WeHealth adoption, so it's like, this is how you know Robbie's trolling. I'm pretty sure everybody. I'm pretty sure no one doubts that. But yeah, Robbie, we literally know of Sapphire sales. 100% miss is impossible, you bozo. I know, precisely. That's exactly. They have little sales, just not enough to meet expectation. But you just said it was going to be a 100% earnings miss. That's not just enough to miss earnings expectation. That is $0 for the quarter. There's a clear differentiation there between those two things. They're completely different, my friend. Completely different. Also, Robbie, what are you going to do if we get a beat just like last time? What are you going to do? Are you going to disappear for 5 weeks and then come back on the ARC stream? Tweets? Whoa, we got 1,000 tweets here. Oh my gosh, there's so much data coming out. Holy crap. Okay. All caps, here we go. I've never seen that before from BioNeo's Twitter. I've never seen that. Here we go, all caps. I don't think I've ever seen that. From MD Anderson Center, Cancer Center, is now presenting. Okay. All right, let's see them. SVs are very important for diagnosis and prognosis of hematological malignancies, and targets for therapy plus optogenome mapping is a single technique for genome-wide characterization of all SVs. Perfect. And there was a great picture. Oh, where was it? Oh, no, did I lose it? Where was it? Yeah, right here. Yeah, I need to pin this. I actually need to save this. Yeah, let me save that real quick. All right. That is a beautiful picture right there because it includes next generation sequencing itself. And and also look at this. I think there's another one that well, I'll do that later. I have to do a little bit of digging later to figure out for sure. But yeah, let's go over the rest of these tweets here. Okay. Amplitude mapping of the Savage system enables detection of all classes. Okay, we all know this. Is there anything relatively new here? I mean, this technically is all new data here, but you know, I want to see something new if there is. Detection of all classes showing 100% concordance with high resolution CMA. Okay, that's interesting. Usually they don't compare it to high resolution CMA, or at least they don't call it that. They just call it they just say CMA. Interesting. That's good. Okay, and then the last one, OGM detected all SVs for hematological malignancies with normal observed classical karyotyping. Is that standing for something other than karyotyping? That doesn't really fit. And yielded 9 something findings demonstrating the benefit of BIOL's high-resolution platform. Great slide presented below. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, I don't understand this. Bro, what does this mean? My brain hurts. I don't understand this. I don't understand enough about amplitude mapping to understand this chart. I just don't. However, I do understand that the precedent is this. I mean, we already knew this. We already had. Oh, holy shit! What the heck was this? What is this candle here? Is that a real candle, or is this after I was glitching? But back to what I was saying, what we do know, what I know at least based on my understanding, what I do know is that BioNano has. BioNano, we already know it's okay. This chart shows it perfectly. Actually, no, let's just go to the new one. This chart shows it perfectly, right? This is simple as it gets. You add in the fact that we're cost effective here. That's all you need to know, right? Also, Simon Barnett would say, it's not a lower cost per sample, bro. Yes, it actually is. We actually saw proof of that, and I don't have that evidence on me, but we saw that in a few weeks ago. Oh boy, what was it? It was one of the PRs they did about the I think it was the 2 peer-reviewed studies or something like that. Yeah. All right, it means Tendy's branded. Yeah, it does. Yeah, that's what it means, guys. let me simplify this for you, right? I understand this. All right, this is totally legit. I understand what this equals. Tendies. It's Tendies, bitches. Robbie Smith, suck my nuts. This is where we're going. This is what the BioNano shareholders are going to have in a few days here after earnings. Tendies, baby. That's what this chart means. Suck it, man. Tendies to the moon. We're going up. We got groundbreaking news. Robbie Smith bullish flip on the damn Robbie Smith clown indicator. We got bullish flip on that. We got bullish crossover and a flip. We got everything. Everything's going in the bullish direction. You get your calls now. Get your damn YOLOs in, right? Please make your own decision, though, at the same time. I'm YOLOing in the day of earnings, most likely. I should have freaking bought shit. What was I thinking? I should have bought shares on the way down here. I think we might. Hey, high growth could easily go red one of the next 2 days, so I will buy more shares. Or hey, I might buy a call on stream as well. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna do something. I'm definitely gonna add at least like 100 shares the day of earnings, or right before, like 5 minutes before it drops. I will do. I will totally do that. All right. With that being said, all right. Let me read some comments here. They're too good. The comments are so beautiful on a day like this. They are tweeting so much. I think that they might say something big during the earnings call, or just a lot of revenue. Dude, this is beautiful data. Guys, do you understand that the reason why they're able to tweet so much, and I'm sure we're gonna talk, and I'm sure you've heard this before, but this is new, right? The reason why they're tweeting so much is because there are so many results. And the reason why there are so many results is because we got 10 damn presentations of the Sapphire. Now, what does that imply? Brandon, what's your point, buddy? The point is that if there's 10 presentations of the Sapphire must have been used a lot, right? And what I'm going towards, what I'm trying to get to here in this little point, in this little rant here, is if I can pull it up here. Come on, load this right here. Okay. Total. Let me try to zoom in better there. Okay. Boom. This column right here, or this row right here. Total consumable revenue. And it would be better if I could actually just pull up ChartMill. Let's just pull up ChartMill here. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. Let me bookmark this shit. Hold on. Oh, I already have it. Here, let's do ChartMill revenue future. All right, boom. All right. If we go down here, look at this. The expected for quarter 2, 3.569 million, right? Last quarter, we got 3.168 million. That's about a difference of $400,000. $400,000, that's not a huge amount for a company like this. If we were to get higher consumable revenues this quarter, higher samples, higher volumes, more genomes being analyzed, more kits being sold. You guys know like the DNA isolation plant kit thing, whatever the hell it's called, okay? Those kits, like all those kits, those are going to be selling like freaking, they're going to be going left and right, man. And this data, you may be wondering, Brandon, we're in quarter 3 now. What are you talking about? We've been in quarter 3 for a whole month now. This is the second quarter of, this is the second month of quarter 3. What the hell are you talking about? Dude, I'm telling you, most of the data that they're presenting here, most of this has been assembled and they've been putting this together for months or at least weeks. So a lot of this happened during quarter 2, I guarantee you, if not most of it, right? Oh my God, we wicked up to 6:12 in the after hours. Holy shit. Oh, new tweet again? What? New tweet again? What? Hold on. What? I can't keep up with this. We got another one. All right. An outstanding presentation by this doctor from MD Anderson News. BioNews Savage, a reliable single platform for high throughput and accurate detection of all types of SV, faster TAT and less expensive versus traditional cytogenetics techniques or cytogenomics techniques. Good. I like that. I really like I like that a lot. That's good. Further validation in expanded cohorts can guide clinical implementation of OGM for routine testing. Yes. Yes, I want to see. We were seeing a couple things earlier talking about clinical testing and talking about getting in the clinics. Where can I find it? Can I find it? There was one that was talking about getting in the clinics. Where was it? It was just, yeah, this one right here. Adoption of optical genome mapping in clinical cancer cytogenetics labs. We already knew about that. John Hopkins has had a Sapphire for a long time, to my understanding. We want to see more of that. And stuff like this data here, that's what puts you in an auspicious position. This is what makes us get a lot of sales. This is partly the reason why we have so many of these. This is why we already have 13 Sapphire sales for the quarter 2 that hasn't even not even been announced yet, right? And the reason why we've had this, if you didn't catch on, marketing, awareness, events, presentations, consortiums, stuff like this, it doesn't necessarily affect the stock price like that instantly. These are things that increase the academic praise, the awareness of the Sapphire system. This is what gets us sales, rental agreement programs, higher volume, right? An opportunity for the Sapphire, like someone actually opening up their mind and just stops with their presupposition, thinks for a moment, hey, maybe Sapphire is better than karyotyping. Maybe it's true. Maybe I should do a rental agreement and see if it is better. Maybe I should look at the literature. Then they go look at that stuff, and I guarantee you the majority of people who look at the Sapphire compared to the other methods with an open mind, right? Simon, you can learn a lot from this. Most of those people, they are going to switch to the damn Sapphire. That's going to be dollars for the revenue. That's going to correlate, and that's going to lead to dang revenue beats and EPS beats. And then guess what? It's going to be freaking profitability. I already had that pulled up. Nice job, Brandon. That was smooth. Profitability in 2023 or sooner. Simple as it gets. You're looking at $1 billion in profit in 2030 alone. That's the damn base case. If we look at the bull case, it's not even funny. I mean, look at this. You're looking at $1 billion in 2029, and in 2030, you're looking at $2 billion. I mean, you're profitable in 2023 here, and you're making, what is it? 22 million this year, 56 million next year. You're getting over 100% year over year revenue growth. Just think about what that would do for the stock price, right? In order to get 22 million for this year, we would have to get like 10 at least % of a revenue beat every single quarter, assuming they don't upgrade them. We would actually have to get, I think, more than that. We'd have to get 20 to 30% revenue beat every single damn quarter. That would send the stock skyrocketing. That's as simple as it gets. Simple as it gets. All right, man. And Thrash is over here saying $1.50 end of year, dude. That could not. I mean, you're out of your goddamn mind. You're, in my opinion, you know. Hey, the markets. Right, the freaking guy in Wolf of Wall Street, Matthew McConaughey. I forgot that. What's the name of Matthew McConaughey's actor, man? Or not actor, character. What's the name of his character? I don't even know. He's only in it for like 5 seconds, but no one knows if the market's going to go up, down, or spin in freaking circles, right? No one knows for sure. But a betting man and a sensible synthesis would be that we're not going to hit 150 end of year. 13 installations, not sales. Know the difference, or you'll find out the hard way on Wednesday. Buddy, I didn't imply. If I said sales, my friend Thrash, don't be. Thrash, don't be pretentious. You're being pretentious and ostentatious, my friend, respectfully. Dude, you know I don't think these are all sales for sure. We've been through this debate, my friend. Don't do this. You're better than this. Don't go with the damn the cheap blows, the low blow. Don't do that. We've already done the debate. I've already told you, and I actually say in this freaking post, if you read it, right, no disrespect, but if you read it, you would know, I say not all of these are guaranteed sales. I only say 5 of these are guaranteed sales because they freaking are, right? There's 5, okay, guaranteed sale, guaranteed sale, guaranteed sale. Wickham's, that's actually guaranteed sales. Yes, plural. And then you got the WeHealth one, that's guaranteed sale as well, right? Are they in quarter 2 necessarily? I don't know for sure. Guess what? They're definitely installed in quarter 2. And guess what? Higher consumer revenue. That's factually right. You can't freaking dispute that. Thrash, I'm sorry if I said we know about 13 Sapphire sales this quarter. I didn't mean for sure sales. We've already been through this discussion, my friend. Please don't play that damn card. I'm not even. You know what? I'm not even gonna do it, man. I already told you. We've already been through this argument. I told you it's likely that most of these are sales, or at least a good number of them. We already know that 5 of them are. There's 13 installations that we know that happened in quarter 2. There's a very high chance that over 10 of these, if not 11, 12, or all of them, are sales or rental agreements that happened in quarter 2. Yeah. So yeah, man. And we've already went through that. Like, please don't quote me on one little quick rant that I was doing like that, man. Like, dude, I'm telling you, I'm sure you, dude, when you're streaming when you're streaming hours a day, sometimes you say something in a quick sentence, like, for example, sales instead of sales/rental agreements on accident. Like, Jesus, bro. Dang. Give me a break on that one, man. I'm sorry, but you are being freaking, what's the word? I don't even know. You're being pretentious. That's what you're being. All right, let me read some comments here. Let me tone down the ranting. Holy crap, that was all right. I bought another 200 shares. Hell yeah, my friend. Make your own decision, please. All righty. Thresh, you're insane. You're insane, my friend. I like the optimism. They need a bigger manufacturing facility to come anywhere near those numbers. Yeah, they would benefit from having their own manufacturing facility. And understand that Paramit actually does, and now a new company as well, because Paramit just got bought out. They do a lot of our manufacturing, and they send it to us to do the finishing touches. And profitability will be a huge. I mean, once they build their own facility, once they start manufacturing the Savers on their own, start getting huge quantities of manufacturers in because of the large demand, which we're anticipating, those profit margins are going to go way up on the sales. Right now, most of our gross margins are way higher on the consumable side rather than the sales side, which is that, and that's amazing. Don't get that. Although sales are a bigger part of our revenue right now, that's actually a good thing, and the reason is because our consumable revenue pretty soon, that's going to overtake our sales. And the reason is because we're only going to get X number of sales a quarter. Our installations are going to, and your previous sales don't count, right? That they've already been accounted for. Consumables, every single installation more that we get, that's going to mean a higher consumable revenue in total. So the compounding effect is so strong. It's like it's like a green lightsaber compared to a blue one, right? The green are the people who are strong with the force, right? I'm sure no one understands that reference, but yeah. All right. What about those unreleased possible sales? I know exactly. That's what Thrash doesn't. I know that's what no one. Yes, I know. We already know, and that's what's so crazy to see Thrash nitpicking here. Like, oh, not all these are guaranteed sales. Like, bro. Dude, we haven't even the company hasn't even announced the sales yet. The fact that we already know about 13 possible sales. Okay, please excuse me if I accidentally call them all sales for once. Okay, that's the quickest way to say it. All right, you can, God, if you want to critique me on that, you know what, just go ahead. But here, I'll go ahead and do it the innocuous way, right? 13 possible sales / rental agreements. That happened within this quarter, and that's before the earnings report release for last quarter, technically, right? Quarter 2, the one that's being the earnings report is on, of course. So that just tells you the bears are getting desperate if they're critiquing that, right? Imagine if there's 5 sales that we don't even know about, that's not unrealistic necessarily. That's a totally realistic chance of that happening. Seriously. I think at least. All right, then why is Mace Windu's purple? Because he actually uses the dark side. The dark side is strong with you. Yes, Mace Windu uses the dark side, my friend. Yes, that's why he was able to beat Palpatine, apparently. Which is bullshit, by the way. That's total bullshit. Dude, they have... I mean, do you really think Mace Windu was supposed to be as good as Yoda? And then they have Mace Windu beat Palpatine until Anakin helps him? It's like, what the hell? All right, I don't know. Anyway, there goes the viewers. I'm sorry. All right, sales always drive the company. No sales, no company. So we need sales and services to grow always year over year. Yes, sure. Absolutely. All right, Thresh, you are on this channel pretty much every day. I don't ever remember him saying there's a guarantee 13 sales without also saying, don't quote me, and I could be wrong. Do your own DD. Yeah, exactly, Luke. Like, I don't understand. Thresh, although I disagree with him a lot, usually it's at least somewhat respectable. Now Thresh is just pulling out the freaking the middle school insults and the damn like trying to, you know what, you guys know you can take people, okay, with anyone that's like I'm not saying I'm a public damn public figure, hell no, but anyone that like speaks online or any public figure, you can take them out of context and get a quote together that sounds like shit. That's anyone. Like, try, you know, I would respect if you don't do that, Thresh, when it's so clear, like the man says, like Luke Andrews says, the legend himself, that I always say, and I literally say, I mean, you can see it. I could be way fucking off. I mean, okay, I have it right here. Although some of these are rental agreements, right? I literally say it right there. So if I mistakenly call them all for sure sales, you know, you have it right there, right? Sometimes I say it wrong. Sometimes I don't say it word for word like I mean to, all right? And anyways, after hours price action is absolutely bonkers. Look at this price. That's totally natural price action. We went from 608 down to 603 for a second. Now we're back up 1% after hours, over 1% after hours green. And we're back up at 610. All right. Cocaine and hookers, my friends. The keys to success, lol. No, hookers and cocaine. That was the quote from... I was thinking of the quote from the guy on a lottery ticket. Yeah. Has anyone seen that video, that YouTube video? It's an interviewer goes up to a guy and asks him, "Hey, do you know your odds of winning a lottery ticket?" It's like one is like astronomically low, and then they're like, "What are you gonna do if you win?" He's like, "Hookers and cocaine," and that aired live. That was beautiful. I count rental agreements as sales. I'm just talking about the backlog. Didn't know that was so offensive. Bro, that's not what was so offensive. God, now I don't even want to do it, dude. You quoted me. Oh, whatever, dude. Whatever, man. You think what you want. That's not at all what you were saying earlier. You did not say anything about the backlog. You quoted me talking about sales when you know damn well I wasn't talking about sales for sure. I didn't mean they were all for sure sales. I meant that we have 13 possible sales, possible rental agreements that happen most likely in quarter two, but technically they could have been installed in quarter two and sold in quarter one, or even hell quarter four. Technically speaking, although in my opinion, there's like a basically 0% chance of that. Right? The backlogs are all done at this point. Okay. I think Palpatine was acting to encourage Anakin to help him beat Mace and come fully to the dark side. Yeah, that's what I want to think, but I just don't think that's... I don't know. I hope you're right, but I don't think so. My gut tells me that's not what the actual... I don't know. Someone asked George Lucas, right? Just got in. Cuban bought more. Yep, that's right. And while we're here, let me go ahead and tell you the dumbass story of me. Actually, it wasn't my fault, actually, believe it or not, for once. Guys, you won't believe this. The technical difficulties of the stream was not my fault. Believe it or not, for once, the technical difficulties were not derived from my own stupidity. This time, what the heck is going on here, by the way? What the heck is... I don't want this new view. Can I get rid of this? Thank you. Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, when I did this, I couldn't actually... The stream key wasn't connecting, and then I had to restart the computer. Then I had to update it automatically, so then the whole setup was changed. And then I started it there, and I didn't mean to start it because it never started. Whatever. It was dumb, and it took me 30 minutes. It took me almost 20 minutes to get the stream running. And now I think it's time for guitar. We closed green. We closed up 1% of the green, so it's a guitar day. Well, up 1.5% of the day. We got to play guitar. We got to riff out real quick. We got to play a couple riffs. Dude, can somebody explain to me? Dude, I got to stop doing this. I'm doing myself harm when I do this. But when I scroll the Rebo comment section, I think I've seen it a couple times now where Doge Wolf Doge Wolf, the infamous Doge Wolf himself, the guy that everybody, the spontaneous, whimsical, bullish bear, right? That's how I would classify him. He said cue the guitar riff number 9. I'm like, is that a reference to me? Somebody told me that was a reference to me one time, and I don't know. Does anyone understand that? Thresh, will you tune into the channel when BNGO starts to climb up the price ladder after earnings? I cannot wait till Wednesday. Going to be so funny. All right, man. I mean, you could be right. You could be right, but to acting like you know what's gonna happen, that's how you know you're insane, bro. And that's why I always take what you say with a grain of salt. People and you guys and the new investors out there that are listening to this conversation, they're like dumbfounded. They're like, holy shit, what the hell is going on here? Watching these interactions here, you have to understand, anyone who's dogmatic about what they say about the predictions in the market, instantly you should not trust them. I mean obviously don't do a fallacy composition, but you should just know somebody claiming to know the future for the prices or for earnings releases, you got to be very careful about what you do. And when you see somebody like Thresh, respectfully, right? I mean, not really, okay, I think he's lost his respect at this point, but lost my respect at this point, but when someone's like repeatedly saying they know what's going to happen, no, that's very unlikely that those people are not just trolling. They're very unlikely that they're genuine. They're probably just trying to troll, and they have shorts, and they have, or something like that. So, anyways, with that being said, all right, what is your price start for the end of the year? $10 to $15, very likely. If 20 is possible, 20 has a decent chance of happening. Not more than 50% though, probably. $10 has like $10 has like an 80% chance, maybe higher, I would say. Yeah, I would say so. All right, with this pace, we will be $1.05 above, or $1.50 above NNDM after earnings. All right, I'm going to start the guitar riff. We're going to start the guitar. It's a reference to you. Yeah, I know, but like, what does the guitar riff number 9 mean, though? Is that supposed to mean something, or is that just random? All right. Since I came around here just trying to save people's portfolio, it's down, and this kid looks at his technical analysis and says it will moon every day. Bro, come on. I always say I don't know what's going to happen. I always say we can go down to $4. Come on. That's how you have not earned a response at this point. All right, we're out of here. I gotta stop replying to Thresh. I can't stop myself. It's in my DNA to look at what the dissenters say, and try to refute them. All right, feel free to get out. Please, everybody, feel free to get out of here. We did get a bullish from the Robbie Smith Cloud Indicator, but I'm gonna stop wasting your time and get the riffage done quickly, relatively quickly. Usually, when I riff, it takes longer than I usually think it will. All right. If it is Doge Wolf, it is random BS. I know, exactly. That's what I think. Doge Wolf, it is random BS. Yeah, that's what I usually think. All right, here we go. Take your time and get in your practice. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want it to be more relaxed, more just play. If anyone wants to stay, there'll probably be 5 viewers by then, which is totally cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna play for a little while. Please feel free to get out of here. Okay, play a riff while we set Thresh in a timeout, lol. Oh, man. All right, let me make sure the audio, everything's good. Okay, I will forget things. Make sure you tell me if the audio is good right when we get it started here, because I will definitely forget. There's a high I haven't forgot something yet. Somehow, miraculously, on the guitar days, I have not forgot, but I definitely will sometime. Because there's so many things I have to do. Relatively speaking, for my ape brain, there's a lot of things I have to do, right? Already forgot. There's the first thing I forgot. I literally forgot to take the mic down. Oh, wow. That's a new one. I have not forgot that one yet. It's first for everything. Sounding all right, I hope. There we go. That should be perfect. Please feel free to get out of here, everybody. Good enough? Okay, good enough. Practicing? Yeah, we're just practicing at this point. Oh, you guys are too damn funny. You guys are too damn funny. I'm gonna fall down one of these days. I'm standing on one leg, man. Oh, man. Please feel free to get the hell out of here, man. but I see a donation. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Who is it? What do we have here? I seriously, I think there's something wrong with my contacts. I cannot see. I'm actually getting an eye appointment soon, so that's actually good. Basin, hey, let me get this so you can actually see me here. Thank you so much, my friend. No, I don't do that. You guys do not feel like you have to do that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I'm broke, dude. Otherwise, I'd pay more for this. No. I thank you so much, guys. I'm just practicing guitar. I've been playing for years. You don't have to do that. Thank you so much, though. I appreciate that a lot. Tip my dude, Kyle, Bubba, Broker. Thank you so much, Bezadi. I'm sorry, I'm butchering the names. I'm sorry. I can't even pronounce the names right. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. Whoever said, I think it was Christian earlier who said, good job on my curse hitting the high notes. Does anyone recognize the songs I play? I don't even play songs. It's just my own original random shit. random riffage. A couple kill switch gauge songs, but thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. How your fingers not hurt? I tell you what, my fingers do hurt when I play acoustic. But yeah, please, everybody, feel free, guy. I'm just practicing. I think I'm gonna play for another 9 minutes here, and we're gonna get out of here at 4. But thank you so much, everybody, for the donations. God damn. Yeah, I feel bad now. Thank you so much. You really don't have to do that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do that when BNGO goes to 100, and then I won't feel bad. But no, my friend, thank you so much. God live the fullest, $5. Thank you so much. God, thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so. I don't know what else to say. Marco's saying we're pumping up. Oh, we're about 1% after hours. Thank you so much. God live to the fullest. Kyle, Bezadi, thank you so much. Trivium, a gunshot to the head of trepidation right there. No, $20 donation, my friend. No, the nasty investor. Thank you so much. You don't have to do that, though. Thank you so much. Oh, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Thank you so much. I appreciate that so much, my friend. When BNGO goes up, it will be better, lol. No, buy now when it's low. Buy when it's low. Yeah, exactly. I agree with that. But yeah, thank you so much. The nasty investor, $20 donation. That's, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The only thing I can say, I'm not trying to be a salesman right now. I'm not. But I will say this. I should have said this earlier. All the people that are donating, please, anyone else who has not donated, please do not. Okay, I want you to do, whenever BNGO goes up way higher, that is when you can give me a very small donation of your profit. For everyone that's given a donation now, you guys are freaking legends. Thank you so much. But I'll tell you what, the money that I just got there, that is going straight into BNGO. All right, how much was that? Let's see. Let's just do it right now. All right, let's see. $48 what the chat revenue is saying. All right, here we go. So $45. Let's just do 5 shares. Let's just, okay, right off the bat. Let's just do $30 worth extended hours right now. 608. There we go. 90% of the BNG of the YouTube, or 99% of YouTube revenue, or something like that, right? Let's just say 100%. It's pretty much 100%. It's all going back into BNGO. Don't tell me what to do. No. Okay, now I'm gonna do the opposite. No, I can't. Oh my god, I don't know what to do, my friend. I can't. I gotta do. Bubba Broker, thank you so much. Don't tell me what to do. I don't know what to do. Should I tell you should donate and then you would not do, and then you would do the opposite of that, reverse psychology, right? I don't know, but yeah. But what I do want to say is that yes, eventually, if BNGO is gonna do well, That is true. I should say that more often. I did a video over that a long time ago on how much I make from YouTube. Spoiler, it's a couple dollars an hour, which I'm totally thankful with. I'm in college right now. I'm totally thankful for what we have with YouTube, but all of it's going back to BNGO. 99% of it's going back to BNGO. Yeah. You should play live a couple times a week. Straight cash, homie. I want to play guitar more often. I love playing guitar on stream. I absolutely love it. Bless your heart. We feel you deserve it for all the work you put in. You're jamming. It's just your jamming is just a cherry on top. Thank you so much, my friend. That I really, that I know maybe it probably just seems like I'm just like every other YouTuber saying thank you because he has to say thank you. That's what everyone does. I really do. That really does. That touches my heart, my friend. That really does. I appreciate that a lot. I really do. Write a song called "Don't Tell Me What to Do." All right. Well, I can't write the song really, but I'll tell you what. I'll make a riff for you. I'll make a riff for you. For Bubba Broker. Or for Broker. Yeah, I don't know how to... What should I call you? Because I don't know. Alright, yeah. It's got to be a new riff. It can't be one I already knew, right? Do an online jam session, dude. I have a drum set. Now the stock move to the beat. That would be sick. That would be sick. Hell yeah. Sure, my friend Christopher. Oh, Christopher, you're the one that said the my curse, aren't you? You are a metalhead yourself, aren't you, my friend? And let me ask you a quick question. You probably just feel free to get the hell out of here, right? This is totally irrelevant. But do you guys like the intro riff or the outro riff better? Like, they're both songs, actually. I made pretty much full songs riffage-wise out of them. That one, that goes, okay, it goes all the way, but yeah, and then this one, right? Yes, sir. Interesting. not look at my big ass forehead anymore. Let's go. Thank you so much, everybody. Jeez, that was one of the better. I don't even know. That was crazy. I can't believe you guys don't. I feel bad. That's too many donations. That's too many. I have not earned those. I have not earned those at all. When BNGO, I'll tell you what, if BNGO gets a damn revenue beat, that will have been earned. Because that's what the research is saying is very likely. We'll see if I'm right again. We'll see. I think you guys know what I think, right? I'm not going to do the usual rant. I guess I will. I already kind of have. But yeah. Anyway, but thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Jeez. You guys are fucking incredible. I don't know. I hate saying this stuff. A part of me actually hates thanking you because that's what everybody else does, and I started the channel to try to be different from everybody else because it was so annoying. But I mean, I have to say it. It's true. It's true. I don't know. But thank you so much, man. All right, let's get out of here. Let me read the rest of these. That's good shit, man. Oh, Nasty Investor, thank you so much. Second one is a little darker. First one's better. dissenting opinion. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna do a poll right after this. I'm gonna pull that up real quick, and then so I remind myself I'll do that after. You too modest. You deserve it, Brandon. Keep rocking out. Got a bail here. We'll hit the tip jar in the future. Tried it too earlier. Had before put. Couldn't figure it out on this other phone. Okay, understand. My friend, don't worry about stuff like that. Please don't worry about stuff like that. Thank you so much. You're a legend, my friend. You're an OG. All right. Thank you so much. Gotta live to the fullest later, bro. Thank you so much, Christopher. Solar is better, by the way. Stop eating some of Solar is better, by the way. Oh, man. When BNGO goes to $20, we want to see room upgrades. I know. Oh, man. I'll tell you what. BNGO does what BNGO does. I tell you what, BNGO goes $10 into video, even 10, like not even 15, $10 or 15. The channel does relatively well. That will happen. That will fucking happen. Mark my words, or at least pretty soon, relatively soon. Intro gets me pumped for the day. Outro is more moody, and I love it. I want to hear more. Tell you what, my friend, I'm not trying to do a quick plug. Hey, you asked for it every time I do a plug. I'm sorry, but there is a plug I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start. I tell you what, I'm gonna start doing this channel more often. I actually posted. This is actually the video of the full-ish. I haven't actually figured out the whole song yet, but most of it, it's almost 2 minutes worth of the intro riff. That's actually the full riffage of it. It's horrible. It's not as good quality as I would like it, but it's better than what you're used to probably. So, but anyways, yeah, sorry. That's I'm sorry for the plug. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Let's get out of here. I've wasted enough of your time. Anyone who gets through all these streams, I don't know how you do it. I don't think that's even possible to watch an entire stream of my big ass forehead. I don't even think that's not possible. All right, thank you so much, guys. This is not Financial Advice. I will see y'all in the next one.